Maraming salamat po. Please be seated. Great new day, everyone. First, allow me to greet, grabe echo, iba ba echo? First, allow me to greet my fellow Council of Governors, our past District Governor Levi Tolentino and spouse Tani, past District Governor Dennis Sunyo, past District Governor Angie Sunyo, past District Governor Darwin Egualada, all our hard-working district leaders and officers, palakpakan po natin. Of course, our hard-working presidents, palakpakan po natin, hard-working presidents. Tayo po tayo, mga hard-working presidents natin. Ayan, dapat, panalo tayo lahat, di ba? And of course, my fellow hard-working Rotarians and guests. Today, we gather not only for sports, but also for fellowship, unity, and camaraderie within our Rotary District 3820 family. This is an opportunity to build lasting friendship with one another through teamwork. This district sports fest reminds us importance of teamwork, discipline, sportsmanship, and healthy living. May these events strengthen our friendship and cooperation as we continue our mission, service above self. Let us compete with enthusiasm, respect one another, and enjoy what we are doing. Nakakatuwa naman yung nakikita natin na big crowd attendees natin today. Thank you for always supporting our district. Palakpakan po natin sarili po natin sa parating pagsuporta po natin sa ating distrito. This is just a beginning. Sabi nga ng host club natin, they will make this event, our sports fest, one of the most unforgettable one. Palakpakan po natin yon. Nakita naman natin yung host club natin, gaano po nag-prepare. Kagabi pa lang, fellowship natin, yung mga Rotarians hindi na nagkurap yung mga mata. Lalaki o babae, hindi nagkurap yung mga mata. Thank you very much, Rotary Club of Iriga, palakpakan po natin. And of course, our Executive Chairman, Solomon Mo, and our Chairman, Ryan Nagrampa, palakpakan po natin sila. And siyempre, of course, yung support po sa atin ng LGU, LGU, Iriga City, palakpakan po natin. Headed by our minamahal na ating Mayor, Mayor Rex Oliva, di ba, palakpakan po natin sila. Maraming salamat sa pag-host dito, sa pagtanggap sa atin dito sa Iriga. Diba? Again, good luck to all the players, dancers, and muses. Let us all keep safe. And now, as your hardworking district governor, it is my honor to declare the Rotary District Sports Fest for Rotary year 2025-2026 is officially open. What's that?